Okay, I want to share with you guys MSI Katana KF6611UA/088NEU 15.6 laptop. It cost 2 years ago 1,255 euros. It's lots of money, but it handles very nicely today's needs of games. Storage need. It has from factory 1 terabyte M2, then it has empty slot M2 and SATA 2.5 slot also. Then it has 16 gigabits of RAM, enough for me. Then the graphics card is 3060 with 6 gigabytes of inside RAM, and the processor is Intel's i7 8-core processor. Display is 144 and it runs example CS2 for that 144 frames. So I just wanted to show you this because I love it. I love it so much.